What is cultivation theory? Have you ever wondered how the media shapes our view of the world? Today, we are going to talk about cultivation theory, a fascinating concept that explains this influence. Cultivation theory is a framework in sociology and communication studies. It looks at how long-term exposure to media, especially television, affects our perceptions of reality. The main idea is that people who watch a lot of television tend to see the world in ways that reflected the messages shown on screen. This means their views may not come from personal experiences but rather from what they see on television. Television acts as a cultural storyteller, influencing our norms, values, and shared beliefs about society. This influence is not about quick changes in attitude. Instead, it is about how our beliefs and attitudes are shaped over time. Television has become a primary source of socialization, taking on roles that were once filled by family, schools, and religious institutions. It teaches cultural norms and expectations through its engaging format. From an anthropological viewpoint, cultivation theory shows how media serves as a modern agent of enculturation. Enculturation is the process where individuals learn and adopt the behaviors and beliefs of their culture. Television often presents a consistent worldview, which can stabilize existing social patterns. It can even create resistance to social change by reinforcing dominant cultural narratives. The theory also recognizes that television's influence is part of a larger socio-cultural system. While a single program may not change behavior drastically, the cumulative effect of repeated themes can significantly impact how we interpret social reality. For instance, if someone frequently watches violent content, they may start to see the world as more dangerous than it truly is. This is known as the mean world syndrome. In terms of child development and socialization, cultivation theory is especially important. Children and adolescents are at critical stages of learning social norms and values. Television can shape their understanding of social roles, relationships, and cultural expectations. This influence can affect their behavior and worldview as they grow up. Practical applications of cultivation theory include analyzing how media representations shape public opinion and social attitudes. It also plays a role in media literacy education, which encourages people to think critically about media content. This helps mitigate the uncritical acceptance of potentially biased portrayals. In summary, cultivation theory explains how long-term media exposure, particularly from television, shapes our perceptions of reality and cultural norms. It acts as a modern mechanism of socialization and cultural transmission in society.